Today I have Wingstop tenders. Wingstop's tenders are so crispy every single time. I love it. And they have so many good flavors to pick from. As you can see, I couldn't decide today, so I got a little bit of everything. Let's dive into this mango habanero. Wingstop's tenders are so amazing. Honestly, every day is a Wingstop chicken tender day for me.
Wendy's spicy nugget, Baconator, ranch, let's try the new tenders, barbecue, this is some type of spicy sauce. The chicken tenders taste like the nuggets. Like exactly like the nuggets. Just like in chicken tender form. This is Wendy's signature sauce. Let's see what that tastes like. That's pretty good. This is so good. I love this sweet chili sauce. It's actually pretty spicy.
Let's try that mozzarella stuffed rice cake. Some dumplings here. You have some really big pieces of cheese in here. Cheese makes anything taste better. The sauce is so spicy, but so good. To do an egg and sausage combo. These are the chicken and veggie, by the way. Some sausage and noodles. Whew. Hi, Bruni. These noodles are not for the weak. They're so spicy, but it's worth it every time. Already.
I got the Nashville hot chicken crispers today. Definitely gonna start adding these to my triple dipper rotation. Before I was getting the honey chipotle, but I like these way more. She's a little fatty. What's in your guys' triple dipper rotation? Mine is always gonna have the Nashville hot. Whoa. This is gonna be a juicy one. I'm like spiced out.
Me too.
Like I'm so thirsty.
Wait, wrong one, sorry.
It's like he dipped his hand in the Nashville hot sauce.
What a child.
And we have no hand sanitizer. Gonna start with this one. Looks like a good one.
Yeah, this one.
Let's see, Wingstop. Cheese sauce, branched a little bit. My monthly flow cravings never fail. I do have more story times coming. Since my last story time, a lot of people have been trying to come back into my life and apologize to me. But guys, things like that are all performative.
We got Buldak and Wingstop. Look how good that looks. First bite for you. Look at that. Hot honey rub. Ranch. It's just hard being a Libra sometimes. Nobody understands me. Because, like, I don't even understand myself, you know? Like, I just wish somebody was on my side, you know? Any Libras, y'all understand? I know y'all understand. Cheers.
Quay, I'm here at Nashville and we're feasting. This place specializes in making Nashville hot fish. That batter is so crispy. Look at how moist that cod is. You can't be having fried fish without tartar sauce. Oh, it's so tender it just fell apart. That's some tenderism right there. Now let's try their fish in a sando. This secret sauce right here goes so well with this sandwich. It's buttery, herbaceous, and it tastes like the seafood boil sauce you'd have. Come in sliders too. That's what I call a good squirt. Can't wait for these loaded fries. This is actually some of the best loaded fries I've ever had. Some fried chocolate pistachio donuts for dessert. Yo, the interior is so fluffy. And that chocolate cookie inside is all homemade from the owner.
Let's eat some Chili's mozzarella sticks. Ranch. Have a bite. I've been craving this for the longest time. 10 out of 10. Okay, let's try the honey chipotle with ranch. Oh my gosh. Whoa. These are still the best mozzarella sticks.
Make a habanero, add ranch, first bite. More sauce.
Just found out that Wendy serves buckets of chili. What big bag is ordering this? Baconator? That combination is dangerous. I can feel my heart palpitations. Spicy nuggets? Hot. Very spicy and creamy. Fries? Oh yeah, that works. Spicy chicken? Yeah, spicy and creamy, just like the nuggets. Cinnamon roll? That looks good. The sweet and saltiness? Let me know in the comments what I should try next.
酱多多炸鸡。
What's up guys, I got some Dave's Hot Chicken today.
These are so good with the ranch. These cheese pulls are so good today.
Buldak and Wingstop. Hot honey tenders are so saucy today. Cheese sauce. Need a couple bites of the stew type by itself. I put extra cheese in my stew type today, but it's still really spicy.
I'm here to eat the leftovers.
Doesn't know how to put it over the tender right, so I'm gonna help him.
You gonna feed me too?
My hand looks huge. Do you want ranch or cheese?
Yeah, I'm gonna ranch it up.
I don't know if I should feed you. Oh my god.
They messed up our order originally and they gave us atomic Hawaiian instead of hot honey. Stew type is spicier than most of the other flavors.
Let's eat Wingstop. Say ah. Wingstop fries are different.
We got leftover seafood and enoki mushrooms. First bite for you. Shrimp. Egg. Y'all, look how huge these mussels are. Like, no freaking way. My healthy seafood boil with my mushrooms. Shrimp. Potato. Now, y'all, when the crabs start coming out like that, that's when it start getting good. I don't like doing all that peeling now. Y'all, the lemon juice on it just makes it so freaking good. I remember those shows where, like, it would be like some men pulling cars, like two big old trucks, like, and then they pull them together. I feel like I could do that. But that's just me, though. Do y'all know what I'm talking about? Because I feel like I could do that. And when they like get like a 40-pound ball or something, and then they like throw it like 50 feet in the air and try to like get it or somewhere or something like that. Yo, I could do that too. Nothing came out. No. Finally, y'all. Almost passed out. My last bite.
Viral instigation crab. Lobster tail. I asked for one, they gave me two. Now I need some sweet. They're so good. Potato. Egg. Strawberry white and milk chocolate. Mango. I could eat these all day. Strawberry is my favorite flavor.
Cheese, brisket, and glizzy. Glizzy with the brisket. This thing is so hard to work with. I got like 3 different kinds of their barbecue sauce. Is there mac and cheese with the waffle fries and brisket? Oh wow, they did their mac and cheese right. Their barbecue sauce got a nice kick to it, a little spicy. Let's try the ribs. I don't even know how I'm gonna get this off. Here's the rack of ribs opened. Looks like they're pork ribs. Oh. There's some very nice pork ribs. This thing was about 53 bucks. This is what you get for it. For stunt food, it's pretty good. I rate this a 7.6. You could probably get this for like a party. This is a fucking heart attack waiting to happen.
We got a homemade seafood bowl. Look at these lobster claws. Limon, lobster claw. First bite for you. Look at that. Lobster. Oh, y'all saw that? Crab. Look at these mussels. More lemon. Cheers. Shrimp. Egg. Yo, I forgot to make sausages. Egg. Onion and crab. Cheers. Makeup is ruined, but it's okay. Y'all, what's your favorite part of a seafood boil? Mine is probably the shrimp. Shrimp is so freaking good, y'all. Mussel. Cheers. I got no scissors today, so I'm kind of dreading this one. Oh, yeah. No, I'm not. Look at that bite. Claw meat. Look at this big old cooter cat, y'all. Onion. Excuse me. Potato. Whoa. My potatoes are a little hard, and I don't like that. This is probably gonna be my last bite. I'm like, what is that in my mouth? Ah. It was 2. I gotta go.
Mukbang, Louisiana. Hawaiian. Corn. Dr. Pepper.
Hi loves, today I'm trying Wingstop with Bulldog Ramen.
Wow.
This is so good. It's honestly, I thought it would be overhyped, but it's really not. It's like the two best things ever combined. Oh, and also this is their lemon pepper and their new sweet chili glaze. It's pretty good. I think it has like a weird sweetness to it. That is probably not my favorite Wingstop flavor, but I would definitely give it a try. That was too big of a bite. Yo, this is so good. I wish I could share it through the screen with you guys. Alright, now let's get a classic bite of ramen.
Alright, y'all, today I'm trying Blueface's seafood restaurant. This is King of Crabs. I guess Blueface is the co-owner. I'm just here to see if this is better than his music. Got some of their house sauce, a little bit of their seasoning, generous pinch of lemon. My boy Sean Eats made this look so good. That lemon is powerful. They had some garlic bread. This is the croissant knuckle sandwich. This big as hell. Look at the seasoning. This is their lobster next to their crawfish. Look at their king crabs. Bro, this shit messy. Got a quail egg and glizz. They probably had croissant back there whipping this up. Damn. I gotta try their shrimp and clams.
What's good, Quay? We're trying Taco Bell's limited time menu items. My first time trying their quesarito. They hella pack this with sauce and meat. And there's hella cheese in between the layers of tortilla. Looking like egg more than cheese, but it's fire. Taco Bell's back with the cheesy steak and chicken dipping burritos. It also comes with a garlic dipping sauce. I ain't sure which one's steak or chicken, but we're gonna find out. I'm a huge fan of garlic, so I hella mess with this sauce. Steak in here is decently tender. The burrito's pretty creamy too. Now for the chicken. I have no preference, they're both good. Now for the steak garlic nacho fries. Flavor is there, I just wish it had a little bit more garlic sauce, and the nacho fries, they could be a bit fresher too.
Today we have Wingstop. First bite. Voodoo fries.